Welcome back to Practical Principles with Josh, and I'm sitting here reflecting on the day, and I had the best interaction and the best friendships today. 3 people I spent time with today, and one was 43, one was 36, my age, and another one was 18. And the beautiful part about friendship is that no matter how old or how young someone else is, a friend can make a true impact on you. And it can be for many different reasons, right? Like friends are just great because it's someone that you can enjoy and spend time with and have that interaction that they trust you, they believe in you, they're encouraging you, you can help them, and there's such power in that. But I'm amazed at how much I learn from my friends as well. For example, the 18-year-old today helped me figure out my website and helped clear up some things, and he did what I was trying to do it took me a couple hours, he actually did in like 5 minutes. And so it just shows you the power of friendship, no matter what age. Embrace those friends in your life. And maybe you just need a day where you just enjoy friendship. And today was one of those days for me. Each one of them added some kind of value to my life, and I hope that I added value to their life as well. The 43-year-old, we were just talking about life, and he has a unique perspective because he's been through a lot in his life, and he brought a lot of wisdom into my world, and once again, like a more broad perspective. We talked about books. So it's just wonderful to have good friends. Like I said, the 18-year-old helped me in so many different ways with technology and explaining some things to me. And then the guy my age, we were kind of right in the same stage of life with kids about the same age. It was just super encouraging to talk about life, talk about some of the challenges, but then also talk about so many rewards. He's about to have another baby, and it's just super exciting to share in that. But my message for you today, the practical principle, is embrace those friendships. And maybe you're feeling a little bit down or a little bit off. Push into some of those relationships. Make the time. Sometimes taking time for relationships, we forget about it, but it is so, so valuable. Push into those friendships, make the extra effort, tell your friends you love them, and it can make a huge difference in your health and in theirs. As always, thanks so much for watching. Practical Principles with Josh, and closing down the day here. I hope you have a great night.